Can you make a success of day trading? Look, I get asked this question a lot. Having trained hundreds of thousands of people around the world for over 20 years, my answer? Well, it's always in two parts. Firstly, yes, it's perfectly possible. There are many people around the world who are doing just that today. They aren't any smarter than you, and they certainly aren't working as hard as you are. Of course, there are also people who will lose money as well because they don't know what they don't know, and if you don't know what you don't know, you don't do what needs to be done. The second part, which most people haven't realized, which is whilst it's definitely possible to become a successful day trader, it's also just as possible to scale up for no extra effort. To explain, when I started out, I started small and practiced a lot. And then when I could reliably make a target amount a day and I gained confidence, I added more to my account. I scaled the whole thing up with no more effort than before. So my answer to people who ask the question, is this? Yes, it is possible, but it's best to keep the risk low and find a way to sustainably make small amounts first and then scale it up when it works and you're confident. Because I get asked this so often, I recently created a brand new 2-hour webinar where I take you through how I do it. Now, I will share with you my 4-step trading process, my all-time favorite strategy, and I'll even show you all the tools I use. So if you want to take your first steps to becoming a lifestyle trader, click on the link below.